Now that we've got the sub-assemblies put into the box assembly, we're going to go ahead and put the cams in. So let's first insert the eccentric cam, which is right here. And I'm going to first rotate it 90 degrees so it's oriented in the way that it's going to go into the assembly. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the following. We're going to take a fasten mate, and then we're going to fasten the center here of the axle, the square axle, to the center of this square area here, like so. And when we do that, we've got our cam hugging the left side of the box. To understand how much we need to shift it over so it's under the followers, I've got this drawing here. So the end of the edge of the box to where the first cam goes is 1 inch, but then we have the thickness of this, and so we need to shift this over half its thickness. Hope that makes sense. So 1 inch plus 1/8, and then it'll be directly under the follower. So let's do that. So I'm going to go back into the fasten mate, double click, and put an offset of 1.125. 1.125. And it looks like it's right underneath it. That's what I want. So I'm going to accept it. I'm immediately going to rename this fasten mate to eccentric. We're going to have a lot of mates, so let's start naming them. Okay, so this one looks a little too big. So let's change its size. So we're going to right click on it, and then right in the middle here, change configuration. So click there, and it pulls up that configuration panel we had. So 1.5, and then generate. Let's see if that helps. I think it does. So if we that seems to work okay. All right, let's check the final mate for this one, which is a tangent mate, and that'll make it work hopefully. So the tangent mate is right here. So we're going to click there, and then we're going to click the bottom of the shoe. And then I've found that it's best to click the edge here rather than the face, so right on the edge. So if you click there and accept that, it appears that they're going to remain tangent. So let's check that. So I'm going to go to the axle revolute mate, and I'm going to animate it. And let's see if we can get the eccentric mate to do its thing. And we're going to loop. So, okay, there it goes. So if we're rotating this axle, the eccentric cam is going to do what it's doing there, and then the follower is going to do as shown. So this is the area that we're interested in. This is the output, so it's nice and smooth behavior. So that is the eccentric mate, and we'll follow up in another video with the other cams. Thanks for watching.